Hello viewers and subscribers. As you know, this Sunday is our season break. We are inviting you to come and join us at Incognito Vacation Stay. That's 8 Colliston Drive at 6 p.m. We will be talking to different actors from the cast of The Bartender, and we'll be having special guest performances. Alright, we'll be talking to one of the top artists from Murder She Wrote, the Bonner family. Yeah? So come and join us. 6 p.m. this Sunday. We're going to be having a fun-filled evening. And the premiere of the season finale will be at 8 p.m. Again, at Incognito Vacation Stay. 8 Colliston Drive. Make it a day, don't be late. Just come join me, sit down, chat, and Lyme with us. And you know, we'll have a little after party, little dancing and things. So I know you don't want to miss it. Come join your favorite bartender cast member. Come sit down and chat, take your picture. We might have merch. Who to tell? So you can get your souvenirs. Alright, so come join us this Sunday, 8 Colliston Drive, Incognito Vacation Stay.